Hello my dear children, welcome to my channel Sudhir Chemistry. But just now we have seen from the VSQ question from chapter States of Matter. Now this is the another chapter 5 Stoichiometry where we are getting the most important VSQs in our IP exam. And see beta, I written here 11 questions, but in that 11 question, some question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, I made it as a 3 star because this is the most important question possible is that they can ask in our exam. How many number of moles are present in 540 gram of glucose? Calculate the weight of 0.1 mole of Na2CO3. The EF, but EF means it is called as a empirical formula of the compound. The empirical formula of the compound is CH2O. Its molecular weight is 90. Calculate molecular formula of the compound. Calculate the pH of 0.05 molar H2SO4 solution. What are the disproportionation reaction? Give an example. State the law of conservation of mass. State the law of definite proportion. Define mole fraction, most important. How many molecules of glucose are present in 5.23 gram of glucose whose molecular weight is 180 gram per mole? What volume of H2 gas at STP is required to reduce 0.795 gram of copper oxide to copper and H2O? Calculate the volume of O2 at STP is required to completely burn 100 ml of acetylene. As I said you, these are the most important question, but in that one, some questions are there. I made it as a 3 star. And why it is a 3 star, I will let you know at the last of this video, right? Please take a screenshot of this one. But the next chapter is given here. 6th chapter, thermodynamics. Important question for the thermodynamics. That means VACQ 2 marks question. State first law of thermodynamics. What are the extensive and intensive properties? Give examples. State third law of thermodynamics. What is its importance? What is the entropy? What is absolute entropy? State Hess law of constant heat summations. What is heat of neutralization? What is the relationship between Cp and Cv? What is Gibbs equation? What is the relationship between the Gibbs energy change and equilibrium constant? And some important question from the environmental. But in this chapter, these are the 3 stars question. First law of thermodynamics, extensive and intensive property. State the third law of thermodynamics, importance. State the Hess law of constant heat summation. What is the relationship between the Gibbs energy change and the equilibrium constant? Right, next one. These are the questions from environmental chemistry. I wrote only half, but the remaining half I will write on other side. What is a COD? Most important. What is a BOD? Most important. What is a TLV? Threshold limit value? Most important. What is a PAN? Peroxyacetyl nitrate effect. Then which oxide causes acid rain? What is pH value? Name 2 adverse effect caused by the acid rain. Define receptor, sink and citation. What is a greenhouse effect? These all are the most important 3 star questions. Take a screenshot of this one. These are the remaining questions from environmental chemistry. Till here we have seen what is a greenhouse effect. Now you can see the 9th one. Write any 2 gases responsible for greenhouse effect. Why is the temperature of earth increasing continuously? Mention the harmful effect caused by the depletion of ozone layer. You can see these are the 3 star, 3 star. What happens when holes are formed in the ozone layer? What is the harmful effect caused by the CFC? Chlorofluorocarbon. 3 star question. Write any 2 effect of the polluted water. What are smoke and mist? MIST mist. What is eutrophication? 3 star question from environmental chemistry. Take a screenshot of this. But this one from the chemical equilibrium and acid and bases chapter 7 VSQs. Total 14 questions I have written, and you can see these are some star marks are there. State laws of chemical equilibrium. 3 star. Write the relation between Kp and Kc. Give 2 chemical equilibrium reaction at which Kp equal to Kc, Kp greater than Kc, Kp less than Kc. What is a Bronsted base? Give an example. What is a Lewis acid? Give an example. 3 star. All Lewis acids are not the Bronsted acid. Why? All Bronsted bases are the Lewis bases. Explain. 3-star question. Calculate the pH of 0.01 molar HCl solution. What is the dynamic equilibrium? Define equilibrium constant. What is meant by ionic product of water? Do you know ionic product of water? Kw. And write its unit. Next one. What is homogeneous equilibrium? Give 2 examples. What is heterogeneous equilibrium? Give 2 examples. What is the effect of temperature on the ionic product of water? These are the questions from chapter 7. Please take a screenshot of this one. Now these are the another VSQs from 9th chapter S block elements. You can see total 15 questions are there in that one. This 3, 6, 7, 9, 10th, 14th and 15th. These are the 3-star question I have given. Most important. Please take a screenshot of this one. Now these are the questions from P block element chapter 11. That is 13 group and 14 group. Boron family and carbon family. See, these are the 16 questions I have written where these are the 3-star questions. Give the abrogation of carbonate, carbonate ion, diamond, graphite, fullerenes. What is allotropy? Give the crystalline allotrop of carbon. Graphite is a good conductor. Explain. What is a producer gas? Why is diamond hard? Diamond has high melting point. Explain. Write the uses of diamond and graphite. Right? These are the most important questions. But these total questions, among that total questions, these are 4 plus 3, 7 are the most important question in VSQs. Take a screenshot of this. Now these are the VSQs from organic chemistry chapter 13. Write the conformation of ethane, most important, 3-star. How do you prepare ethyl chloride from ethylene, 3-star. Write the structure of trichloroethanoic acid, neopentane, paranitrobenzaldehyde. Write the IUPAC name of first compound, second, third, fourth. This is double bond O. Fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10. Write the chain isomers of C4H10. How is nitrobenzene prepared? What is a substitution reaction? Explain any 3 substitution reaction of benzene. What is ozonolysis, 3-star. Explain the reaction of acetylene with sodium in ammonia, chromic acid. Write the chemical equation and name the products. Right? Take a screenshot of this one. Now these are some after VSQ, these are the questions come under the SAQs, 4 marks. And you can see here for states of matter I have taken 6 questions is a 4 marks, where question number 1, give the important postulates of kinetic molecular theory of gas, is very important, 3-star. Deduce the Boyle's law, Charles law from kinetic gas equation, very important. Derive the ideal gas equation from gas laws. Deduce the Gram's law of diffusion from the kinetic gas equations. State and explain Gram's law of diffusion and deduce the Dalton's law of partial pressure from the kinetic gas equation. I'll tell you, all these 6 questions are very important, 3-star. Next one is stoichiometry में balance the following redox reaction by ion electron method. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Among these one, this 2 is very important. You practice acid because first 3 is in acidic and last one is the basic medium. This BNC is very important. Then this is a compound containing 4.07% of hydrogen, percent of carbon, chlorine, molecular weight, empirical formula, molecular formula. This compound also contains 12.8% carbon, 2.1% hydrogen, 85.1% bromine. Molecular weight is given, calculate the molecular formula. Among these 2, this one is the most important. Right, take a screenshot of this one. Now this from thermodynamics SAQs. State and explain constant heat of summation with example. Star, 3 star, very important. State third law of thermodynamics and what do you understand by it, 3 star, very important. From chemical equilibrium, I wrote these 6 questions. Among that, first one, Lee-Chattel principle and its application to the preparation of ammonia by Haber's, SO3 or sulfuric acid by contact, a relation between Kp and Kc for the following. These 3 is very important. But remaining 2 also you have to study. What is a conjugate acid base pair? Illustrate with example. Explain Bronsted-Lowry acid base theory with example. And explain Lewis acid base theory with example. Right? Take a screenshot of this one. Now these are the another question from hydrogen and its compound for 4 marks SAQs. Explain the term hard water and soft water. Write a note on Colgan method for the Calgon method for the removal of hardness of water. Very important. Explain the following with suitable example. Electron deficient, precise and electron rich hydrogen. Important. Write a note on heavy water. Explain the preparation of H2O2 by electrolytic method. Very important. Then here P blocks. What are the electron deficient compound? Is AlCl3 is electron deficient? Explain. Important. Al2O3 is an amphoteric. Explain. Write a note on anomalous behavior of boron. Explain the differentiating properties of diamond and graphite on the basis of this structure. Very important. And what do you understand by the allotropy, inert pair effect and catenation? Very important. Take a screenshot of this one. Now these are the important questions from organic chemistry SAQs. Explain the position isomerism, functional group isomerism with example. How does ethylene react with the following? Cl2, HBr, H2SO4, ozone. Write any 2 method of preparation of ethylene, ozone and cold and dilute KMnO4. How is acetylene prepared from the following compound? Calcium carbide and 1,2 dibromoethane. So these are the few important questions I did here. Now the remaining LAQ part I will give in my another video, right? Thank you beta, thank you very much. And wherever I saw, I have given the 3-star questions. That 3-star question, once you will read it, definitely that 3-star question will help you to score at least passing mark. Those students are unable to get the passing mark. For them, they are able to score the passing marks. And for them, just I will give, these are the only LAQ you prepare. And with this LAQ, you are going to get definitely, means I am going to give that star mark question which one I gave. It is only for those students, if you prepare the star mark question, they are able to get the passing mark like a 25 to 30 marks. And with that additional, if they are going to prepare, that is a postulates of Bohr's. Postulates of Bohr's and hydrogen spectrum based on it. It is already there in my YouTube channel, just you can type it, explain the postulates of Bohr's and hydrogen spectrum based on it by Sudhir sir chemistry classes, you will get it. Second important question, that is a quantum number and its a significance. This is also there in my YouTube channel, go through it. Among these two, pakka one you will get it. And third one, that is coming from the periodic classification, right? And in this the third question which is coming from periodic classification, they will ask us what is a periodic property? What is periodic property and how does the following property changes in the groups and periods? That is following property which is changes in groups and period. First one is atomic radius, second one is electron affinity, third one is electron negativity, and fourth one is metallic and non-metallic nature. Metallic and non-metallic nature. Additionally, one more you can add it, and that is about radius, affinity, negativity, metallic and non-metallic nature of the compound, and after that the nature of the compound. Nature of the compound, that is the acidic properties and the basic properties. And one more question which is coming from the periodic classification, what is that? As we know beta periodic properties happen, they will ask us how does the classification of element based on the blocks, based on blocks, that means one is S block, P block, D block and F block. But if you are going to prepare these 4 questions, definitely you are able to write 2 LIQs, right? Thank you beta, thank you very much. Have a great day, take care and all the best for your exam. And if you like these all the question once you see here, and if you like this the important question which one I have given here, please share it to each and every student, those who required these important questions. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.